This is how you can fix unable to initialize GPU in DaVinci Resolve. First, go to your desktop, then right-click, select Display Settings, click on it. Now scroll down until you see Graphics, select Graphics, then search for the custom options for apps, select Desktop App, and in case that you don't see DaVinci Resolve listed down here, simply click on Browse, and now select for DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve is usually located inside your program files, so you go to your local disk, then you click on Program Files, and search for DaVinci Resolve, which is usually inside Blackmagic Design. Click on DaVinci Resolve, and now simply select resolve.exe and click on Add. Now you have added DaVinci Resolve to the program list down here, and now you want to edit the options and select High Performance. Click on Save, and the error should be fixed. In case of the error still being persistent, simply go to your device manager, so search down here and select Device Manager. Next, you want to go to Display Adapter, click on here, and here you can see the graphic card that is installed on your PC. For example, in my case, it's the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070. Simply right-click it and select Properties, and now go to Drivers and click on Update Driver. This should fix the error as well, and in case of you not finding any drivers through this process, I will link the drivers for NVIDIA and AMD down in the description below. And of course, remember to like and subscribe. Until next time, see you!